How to schedule WhatsApp messages on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store and download Sked It app, which is AI WhatsApp Auto Message. Then simply open the app and click on Sign Up. Then add your name, email, and password and click on Create Account. Then verification code will be sent to your email. Simply copy paste it. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on plus button and click on WhatsApp. In here, click on recipients. Then click on WhatsApp. Select the person you want to send schedule message to. Add title. Add your message. After you've added your message, you can also attach links and all. Simply schedule the date, then schedule the time. After you're done, simply click on tick mark on top right and you're good to go. This is how to schedule WhatsApp messages on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.